Draw and learn. Oh, look at this tidefish. It's so beautiful. Hello, kids. Today we want to color in this tidefish with each other. At first, I'm using orange color for this fish. Do you like orange fish? They're so beautiful. Let's color it with me, kids. That's so great. Please subscribe us. Keep going. You're so great. Fishes living in the water. Oh, that's so nice. Now I want to color in the fish fin. Let's do it with me. Do you know which color I'm using for the jibalik? That's right, you're so clever. It's green color. I'm using green color for the jibalik. Now I'm using black color for the stone. Let's using dark green color for here. Keep going, kids. You're so great. Awesome. Let's color in carefully. Which color should I use for the water? That's right. I'm using blue color for the water. Do it with me, kids. This tidefish is full of water and it has one fish in it. Do you like to have fish? They're so cute. Let's coloring faster. Be careful not to go out of line. That's right. Here I'm using light blue color. And for this part, I'm using light blue color. Repeat after me. Light blue color. Keep going. I like to have a fish in my room. Do you like to have it too? If you have fish in your home, don't forget to pay attention to that. That's so great. Awesome. Finished. Now I'm drawing some lines for the background. You can do it with me. I want to use pink color for these lines. What about you? Which color do you like for the background? Awesome! Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.